Welcome! Newport Mesa uses GoGuardian to support district Chromebooks. This video is intended to show parents how to log in and use the GoGuardian parent platform. What is GoGuardian? This app allows families to control district-owned Chromebooks during non-school hours. These hours are 4 p.m. to 7 a.m. During the school day, teachers have control of district devices. To get started, download the GoGuardian Parent app from the App Store on your phone. The correct app is the blue icon. You will have an account automatically created for you if you are a parent contact on your Student Aries account and also have an Aries Parent Portal account. The email address you use to sign into your Parent Portal account will be the email address that you use to log in to GoGuardian Parent. Enter this email address into the welcome screen. You will be sent a verification email. Click on the link after entering your email, and you are now logged in. Your app will look like the following screenshots when you initially open it. If you have multiple students, there is a drop-down menu to switch between them on the Activities tab. On this tab, you can see a detailed list of all websites the students have visited on their device. Please know that while you can click on these links, you won't be able to access anything that is account-driven, such as personal Google documents. From the Summary tab, you will see the students' top 5 websites and documents and can filter over different time frames, from 1 day to 30. On the Filters tab, tap the blue button at the bottom right corner to add a website in order to block access to that site. After typing the domain, press the blue button. It may take 2 minutes for filtering to take effect. Website filtering is disabled during school hours. On the Time Limits tab, you can also create schedules when the internet will be turned off. Click on Time Limits and press Add Schedule. Create a recurring schedule by specifying start and end times for the internet to be disabled and click Create. Days begin and end at 12 a.m. Parents can also pause internet access at any time. Click on Time Limits and press Pause Internet. Select the time increment. The app will show you a countdown, or you can click on Resume Internet at any time. As with all platforms, you can change settings through the Settings tab, including preferred language. If you are having trouble accessing your account, please contact staff in the front office where your student goes to school. We hope you enjoy this product and have a great day.